Might come up on. You see, look a green light? All right. And if you want, it's wider. That. All right. All right. So we're gonna start plumb up this thing now. Get your drain, put in the P-trap them. Alright, so we have to use this because it's because of commercial use. You want the water to drop inside of here, right, and not attach, because if you make it touch on it like the regular house kitchen sink, then P-trap just everything just connecting, and one bacteria will come up from the sewer line and come up, and because of food you deal with, you will get bacteria. Alright, so government are planning with feel it based upon that. So that's why I have these 4x2 reducers where the water just drop in there and then go straight into the grease trap. Alright, so to get into it. Alright, so this is the controller. Right, so
you are my shepherd.
The direction that it has to go.
You are my strength and my rock. Every day of my life.
Alright.
It's like me don't know where to turn, but me can always turn to your father. You never let me down. Always have my back. Most time me have to check back, cause I many things me have to check on. Like how the youths them a go live long if the government them sell out the damn land. I'm a native on the island, and I me can't even buy land. So tell me why the hell we a work. Check it now, food gone up, yeah. Light and water up there. House mortgage and rent, then warm to my pay. Oh, why? Most High, why are we suffering? Most High, I want protect us from depress and stress. I want protect us from suicide men. Oh my, tell me why millions die, leaving so many families to cry. Yeah, to want me see it, Father, me know she never meant to do it. Just give her one more chance and no judge her for it. Most High, please forgive us our sins. Most High, I want, why are we suffering? Most High, I want, protect us from depress and stress. I want, protect us from suicide men. You just have to don't make stress get to you, don't. Just hold up your head high. No say rough nice street, but I know you can do it, don't it? Yeah.
Because
Why wastewater sink? Why it didn't?
I've got to move the car. You got to move the car because
Union, then call it.
this P-trap. So we use a 2-inch P-trap to deal with this.
C-trap.
P-trap.
I see that.
P-trap.
P.
Alright. See man, of course.
Yeah. Where you should put him up now?
Hmm?
Where you hold him up?
So we'll get to that, man. So we'll get to that. I get something to catch you up, man, but so we'll get to that. So that is the concept of the setting up. All right. So that. So work